The trial of Lori Vallow-Daybell continues. One of today's witnesses almost did not get the chance to testify. Our Seth Ratliff has been following the case today remotely from the Madison County Courthouse.
Assembled in court this morning, 4 witnesses took the stand. They heard the testimony of Melanie Gibbs' husband, David Warwick. Defense attorneys had requested for David's testimony to be stricken from the record due to him breaking the rules of court. David had watched 45 minutes of his wife's testimony before realizing he had broken the rules for witnesses. Judge Stephen Boyce allowed him to testify, but allowed the defense to question his credibility in cross-examination. David was allegedly introduced to the defendant by his wife, Melanie Gibb. While dating, the couple stayed with Lori Vallow in her Rexburg townhome in September 2019. David testified that while staying with them, Chad and Lori told him about their religious beliefs. David is a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, like Chad and Lori were at the time. He told the court he didn't believe the couple's bizarre beliefs, and told Chad he didn't have any authority. In cross-examination, the defense questioned David on his own religious beliefs. David runs a podcast where he makes claims of visions, allegedly predicting the invasion of the United States by Russia and China and secret societies in Washington, D.C. Attorney Rachel Smith objected that David's religious beliefs are irrelevant in the case. Defense attorney Jim Archibald claims that the beliefs called David's credibility into question. Judge Stephen Boyce overruled the objection, and Archibald continued to question David. In response, David told the court that on the night before JJ died, he, David, recorded a podcast with Lori and Melanie. He says the subject was on faith and sanctification. During this, Lori smiled to her attorney. While his credibility has been called into question, here's what he said in his testimony. David claims he saw Alex Cox carrying JJ to bed the last night of his visit. When he wakes up in the middle of the night, Lori and Chad are nowhere to be found. The next morning, JJ has disappeared, and Lori tells him Alex came to get him. Prosecutors say the trial has been moving quicker than previously thought and proposed taking tomorrow off. Judge Stephen Boyce has agreed, and the trial will continue Monday morning in Ada County. Reporting in Madison County, I'm Seth Ratliff.